This is the video tutorial that will provide you with help to remove malicious pop-ups and fake human verification alerts by the website Smartlpstandhost.top. It's a dangerous site targeting Google Chrome and other browsers. Here it tries to trick you into clicking on Allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. The truth is that if you mistakenly do that and click on Allow button, your browser will be hijacked with plenty of annoying advertisements. Some of them you can see already displayed. Believe me, it's really annoying when they keep popping up permanently on your screen. To deactivate them, access the menu, go down to Settings, then in the left area you will see Privacy and Security option, so click on Privacy and Security, then go down until you find Site Settings, and finally when you are in the permissions, choose Notifications. From here you need to carefully get rid of all the junk sites if you detect them on the list, so carefully, one by one, make sure you remove these dangerous and annoying sites from the list. Finally, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. So get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software using the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching your system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.